Good morning, my name is Raul Castle, and actually I recently purchased the 25 indicator stock Excel spreadsheet from Indzara. I find it very helpful. It basically saves me time in trying to screen through multiple stocks, and the nice thing is the calculations are bang on. So I've compared it to other tools like TradingView, and the accuracy is there, and you can just it's very efficient. Just choose whichever stocks you're interested in, and right off the bat it tells you based on which indicators you might be interested in focusing on. So I find it very efficient, and I like the flexibility in terms of the ability to you can actually unlock the spreadsheet and then you can customize it to your own needs. So great work, and hoping to look to purchase some more products. Thank you.